Happy New Year to everybody. In this winter, I will teach you how to operate in the Kompas 3D. In class, we will discuss more properly what is Kompas 3D. And now I will show you how to download the Kompas 3D on your personal laptop. In Skoltech, we will have a computer with the pre-installed Kompas 3D, but if you want to download it on your own laptop, I will show how to do this. I will provide you the link. In this link, you should enter your name and your email. Sorry, whole information in this site is in Russian, but it's only 2 string. I think everybody will figure out how to fill it. So mark that you agreed that you will not use Kompas 3D for business, and agreement for using your personal data. Let's check are we robot or not, and confirm. There is 2 versions. The latest version of Kompas 3D is V22, but we will use V21 because it's the same that we have in Skoltech. Let's download it. It will takes time. Okay, folks. Then you download Kompas. You need to extract files to any folder you want. I already did it, and click setup. Then you'll see a regular notification from Windows. Click yes, and Kompas will start installing. It will take time for preparing. Now you should choose what type of installation. I prefer to use full installation. It's pronounced in Russian like полная. And you can change if you want the place of installing. Just click this blue button. It's pronounced like изменить, and that's it. And change whatever you want. Then what you need to click, you agree with the license agreement. You can click here and read if you want, and click to this black button. It will take time, and after that it will ask you to reload your system. There will be 2 options. You can reload it right after installation, and you can reload it later. So it's up to you. Then you will reload it. Okay, let's wait, then it will install. So it's over. I click this button. It's pronounced like запустить, to launch the Kompas. It didn't ask me for reload because I previously installed the Kompas. But what's important at this step is that Kompas is highly sensitive to the type of your graphic card. Basically, there is 2 options: integrated, then CPU and GPU are grown in one substrate and they are physically in one crystal, and discrete, then CPU and GPU physically are different crystals. I don't know the reasons for that, but Kompas may have problems with working with integrated graphic card. It's not 100% chance, but still. I try to show how it look like later, but basically if you don't see elements that you should see, axes, models, planes, Most likely it's because of this. Unfortunately, there is no solution right now. If you have both type of graphic, as I just switch to a discrete one. So it's basically it is. You should see the same interface. I think you won't have this because if it's your first time in Kompas, you won't see this. But all interface should be the similar. I don't think that we will have English interface in this course because Kompas is a Russian program and it's designed especially for Russian. Unfortunately, there is no English, but it's the best chance to study Russian if you even know this language.